Imagine the aroma of succulent chicken infused with herbs, roasted to perfection, its skin golden and crispy. The chicken sits nestled amongst a garden of colorful, tender vegetables, each bite bursting with flavor, taking your taste buds on a delightful journey. This dish, my friends, is not a figment of your imagination, but a reality that can grace your dinner table tonight. Now embark on this culinary adventure to create this beautiful roast chicken with vegetables. To start, gather a whole chicken, about 4 to 5 pounds. For the vegetables, you'll need a medley of red and yellow bell peppers, zucchini, red onions, and cherry tomatoes. The herbs include fresh rosemary, thyme, and parsley. You'll also need olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and a lemon. Kick things off by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, it's time to prepare the chicken. Pat it dry using paper towels and season it generously with salt and pepper, inside and out. Stuff the cavity with a halved lemon, a few garlic cloves, and sprigs of rosemary and thyme. Next, toss the vegetables in olive oil, salt, pepper, and finely chopped garlic. Spread them evenly on a roasting tray, creating a bed for the chicken. Place the seasoned chicken on top of the vegetables and drizzle it with a little more olive oil. Slide the tray into the preheated oven and let the magic happen. After about an hour and a half, or when the chicken's juices run clear, remove the tray from the oven. Let the chicken rest for 15 minutes before you carve it. To serve, garnish with fresh parsley, and there you have it. A feast for the eyes and the palate, a roast chicken with vegetables that's both hearty and healthy. In summary, this dish involves seasoning a whole chicken, stuffing it with aromatics, and roasting it atop a bed of vibrant vegetables. The entire process, from preparation to plating, exudes simplicity and elegance. So why wait? Bring the warmth of this delightful roast chicken with vegetables to your dinner table. Indulge in the symphony of flavors, and let the dish tell its own story.